Well, viewers, there's no end to the standoff between the Kerala government and the Raj Bhavan over the use of the Bharat Mata motif at the official events at the governor's house. The face-off has now intensified, with Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan notifying the Raj Bhavan that only constitutionally mandated national symbols were permissible at the official functions. In his letter to the governor, regarding the Bharat Mata controversy, the Chief Minister has made it clear the use of symbols such as the Bharat Mata portrait was unconstitutional. In response, the Governor's office has also lodged a formal objection to the Education Minister V. Shivanakutty's boycott of the official event at Raj Bhavan. The Governor's office alleged that Shivanakutty's boycott was a violation of the protocol and that the minister had insulted the head of the constitution. The Raj Bhavan, in fact, further added that attempts by the cabinet members to project Raj Bhavan, the governor's house, in a political light are completely unacceptable. Remember, the controversy had snowballed last week when the Education Minister V. Shivanakutty had boycotted a program at the Raj Bhavan, objecting to the display of a Bharat Mata picture. Now, his objection was that the picture featured a flag that was associated with the RSS. Earlier, it was the State Agriculture Minister who had boycotted an event citing the very same reason. The Raj Bhavan has issued a statement in which the Governor Arlekar has said that there is no question of doing away with the Bharat Mata. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Arpita, this controversy has been brewing in Kerala for a while now over the depiction of Bharat Mata. Take us through how the controversy began, with now even the Chief Minister stepping in and saying that it's unacceptable.
Well, the latest is that it is letter versus letter in the state of Kerala, where first Chief Minister of the state, Pinarayi Vijayan, wrote a letter to the governor saying such idols should not be used in government offices. It is unconstitutional, to which the governor has now responded saying that he has alleged in the letter that Minister V. Shivanakutty's boycotting of the event, where there was an event held at Raj Bhavan, Scouts and Guides event. Minister Shivanakutty boycotted the event, saying that again there was a use of Bharat Mata portrait with holding a saffron flag. So he had boycotted the event. The governor has now responded that it is a violation of protocol and it is unacceptable, is what the governor has said. Clearly, the governor has also said that it is wrong to portrait Mata is developed by.
Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the entire timeline, how it has actually taken place. The entire controversy had in fact started for a while. Now it has reached into a face-off between the Chief Minister as well as the Governor. Now remember, Kerala is not new to a face-off between the Governor as well as the Chief Minister. But even with the change in Governor, things seem to be heading the same way. So let's talk about what happened on the 19th of June. That's when it began. The Kerala's Education Minister was to be a part of an event, but he decided to walk off. And he claimed that the depiction of Bharat Mata was not right. He said that it was saffronization and he decided to walk out. Now, if that happened on the 19th of June, before that, on the 5th of June, Kerala's Agriculture Minister had also walked out of an event citing the very same reason, saying that the depiction of Bharat Mata is not right and it's unacceptable. So it has been brewing for a while now. Two of the ministers, in fact, walking out of the events which the governor was part of, which led to the governor even responding to the Chief Minister, saying that if the Chief Minister is talking about the saffronization or the unacceptable usage of the Bharat Mata picture, on the other hand, the Chief Minister should answer about the ministers walking out, saying that there have been several events where the ministers have walked out in the governor's presence, and that's unacceptable. So that's the face-off that's brewing in Kerala, and we're keeping a track of that. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. Rajnath Singh has tweeted that he held talks with the Admiral Don Jun, the Defense Minister of China, on the side